Hi, it's Trevor Blumenau over at Voodoo Robotics. Hey, I just wanted to demonstrate some of the advanced features of our Android app that I showed earlier. So here's the interface. If we just pull up an order, you'll see it lights up the devices behind me. And one of the things I wanted to show you is you can actually adjust the quantity here. You can see that, for example, a body lotion, it's already partially been picked. It's telling me to only pick one, as you can see here on the display. But I can actually slide that left, and you can see that it's now telling me to pick two in the display. If I slide it again, just to show you what's going on there, it goes back to the unpicked state. It's telling me to pick three now. So there is some interactivity directly from the interface of the handheld scanner. You also have a lot of options in terms of the content that you put on the display of the device. So for example, you could put the picker's name or a nickname for the picker. This is a screen that the picker can fill in on the Big Block website, or you can fill in for him. So yeah, you can put in the picker's name, but sometimes you don't want to use that extra line of text. You're going to use it maybe for an order number or an item name. You could also add a barcode for the SKU number or the UPC symbol for the device. Sometimes you don't want to put that on the device because you want the picker to actually scan the item rather than scanning the barcode on the device itself. You use these lines sparingly. You can also add an instruction. Sometimes we put in tome or something like that if the picker is speaking Spanish. You can also, instead of putting in a name, you could establish a color system. So I can say, okay, I'm going to pick the ones that are red. Fred can pick the ones that are green, that kind of thing. You can specify maximum number of seconds for me to get to the device, otherwise it's going to time out on its own. We also support zones, so you can have zone picking, and so that when you scan an order, only the items that are in your zone are going to light up, rather than all of the order items on all the devices. So that's a really important feature if you're have multiple pickers picking in their area and packing into a box those parts of the order that they're most familiar with. You can also force the picker to, instead of scanning a single item to complete that whole pick line, you can tell him that he has to pick and scan each item that he puts into the container. So in other words, each time he scans the barcode, the SKU barcode or the UPC symbol on the item, it's just going to decrement the device count rather than complete that pick line. So those are also options that are available. If you have any questions about these devices and how they operate, please feel free to contact us and check us out online at voodoorobotics.com. Thanks very much for your time.